Alright, so I want to go over some things that might help you in trying to get this new GM shifter kit installed in your Camaro. This kit right here, this is the 1LE kit for the Turbo 1LE. So what it comes with, they give you the whole new shifter bracket assembly, a whole new shifter. They give you a couple extra parts here. We got an extra mounting bolt, a spring clip pin, which these will be the bane of your existence. They give you some directions. They're a little bit tricky to follow, and you get this little extra badge. To take it apart, I didn't take a video whenever I was taking it apart because it was just a lot of work to get this thing out. You got two main bolts on the back here. You got the two front bolts here. That takes this main body out. You of course take your shifter assembly off the top here, your shift knob, that comes out. You have two spring pins on the front here for your mounting bracket, and how these work is you take your screwdriver, come on, focus, and you depress this so you can pull this out through here. Now, once you get it so far out, you actually have to get the bracket rides here. You need to put a screwdriver in between, like where my finger goes and the rubber bushing, to take that tab, depress it, and then you could pull it out the rest of the way. That is probably the most difficult part of this job. Main reason I got this is because if you look at my old shifter here, these shifter bushings are gone. I accidentally got an SS shifter assembly to where there is no bushings in it. It's just metal on metal. Here's what your bushings look like. They're just rubber pieces. Actually, they're like a hard nylon plastic. And I wish I could just buy these separately, or probably just make like a brass or a bronze insert. This is all that was left of my bushings. You can see that's just the insert that goes in there. To get it out of the car, you do have to drop the transmission and lower it as much as it'll go. And then you take it out in pieces. If you can see, I already got this part disassembled to where this will go in first. Put your push pins in, leave this assembly loose, push this back up through the assembly, and then you're able to put your shift pin in here, which that's this guy, and this is a very precise fit. And then you can put these bolts back in, bolt your transmission back up in, and then hopefully the ordeal will finally be over. As far as the short throw shifter kit goes, the only difference that I could foresee, the rod is exactly the same as on this one. They're the exact same size. The only thing that I can see that's different is the actual shifter body here. And see how this has a bend in it, whereas this one's just a straight. There's no S-bend in this other one. And then the bottom here is straight, and this one has like a little squiggle to it. But this is supposed to give you 6% better shifting, or shorter shifting, in this unit. So I'm just anxious to get it in. We'll see how it works out. But let me know if you have any questions or comments. We'll get through it.